Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. So today you saw that Nifty had a huge gap down of almost 400 points, and then after that throughout the day it was a boring day. And yes, so the warning was already there because the FIs and the Propdex, they were making short positions, and I clearly mentioned this in the 2 days before. And yes, and also like yesterday you saw that I took positional short 24,300 call writing. And yeah, so now for the next question comes is like, since today's Nifty expiry is over, so what is next? Like, are they still carrying their short positions, or have they closed? So what is in for the monthly expiry? So we'll discuss everything. So coming down to the option chain, so even for monthly expiry, so we saw that 24,000 in the money, they were call writers. Okay, so I showed even in those two videos as well that in monthly option chain, 24,000 in the money call writers are there. So yes, now they are profitable, and so I mean they can defend their positions, of course. And let's talk about the other data points. So first of all, like what happened today, so it was almost a flat market, yes, but still, like I tried to, as a buyer, I tried to do something like for the option buyers, but yes, couldn't get much in the option buying position. So yes, but yes, in the writing position, like the 41 points already we got in the selling position, which was shorted. Yesterday I discussed 24 300, and during the day also we shorted some, and got overall like 90 points. And in the buying it was 11 points. So I've shared everything in detail, so I'm not opening the Telegram channel because I've shared something for learning purpose for to the members, and that's why like I'm not opening. But yeah, again, if you want such analysis during the live market hours and you want to get access to the money flow indicators, and want to get a complimentary access to the Telegram channel where I share my live analysis, my thinking, or like my trades and everything during the live market hours, so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And if so, don't forget to take the advantage of the coupon code in the comment section below. So anyways, coming down to the levels on the chart. So if you look at again Bank Nifty went up, got resistance at our level 51,708. All these levels, everything were discussed. Tomorrow we have Sensex expiry, so we'll also need to discuss it. So Sensex, if you see throughout the day, it got resistance at these EMAs. So 50 EMA, 20 EMA. So this is on 5 minutes chart, okay, and below we have the support at 78,807, and above we have 79,572. And if this breaks, then we have, so I'll tell you tomorrow. But yeah, so let's see whether there is a chance for this breaking or not. So if you want to see what is the next level, so let's see. Let's go to 1 day chart. So yeah, so it's very simple to draw these lines. Like you can simply go to 1 day chart, and you can take this level like 78,000, where you have like on 1 day chart you have this 200 days EMA. And so that is like currently it's at 79,200, so it's like 78,000, so 1,200 points away. But if you want near about support, again is at 78,807. And if you want further support, so go into the 5 minutes chart and just or 15 minutes chart and just check where it took support earlier. Okay, so anyways, now let's move on to the EOD data. So EOD data, what is it suggesting? So Propdex, still they have closed some futures short positions, but overall they are still carrying huge amount of future short positions. Okay, some long positions made, but that's not like something which is I will be considering. So anyways, on the other hand, if I have made a huge call, if I have made a huge futures short positions, and talking about here, that is, if you look at here, you won't understand anything. The very first thing is that positions have been closed. So let's look at the overall positions. So again, FIIs are carrying call writing and put buying, but the put buying is almost nil. So not huge put buying, okay, but majorly call writing, and the same goes for Propdex as well. they are also carrying call writing and huge amount of call writing, and I mean a good amount of call writing. And like, what do I mean by a huge or good amount of call writing? Because like, suppose some trader takes 1,000 quantities for selling every day, okay, and now you see that like they have taken 1,500. So you know that it's a good quantity for the trader, okay. So prop decks also, if you see this quantity, it's a good quantity for them. So that's what I'm saying, okay. And so again, talking about here, that is put side, they are carrying put buying. So overall data is still like bearish to at least neutral. So overall data, what it's saying is like, my final verdict would be sell on rise. And that's my overall analysis. And yes, let's go to the option chain. So let's look at Fin Nifty. So remember, we have expiries throughout the week next week. So one day only there is no expiry. So yes, I've shared all the dates here, so in one tweet, so go and check it out. So except one day, we have all the other days in December to be expiry. So anyways, Fin Nifty will again come back. Let's go for Sensex. So Sensex, again, if you see 79,000 call letters are there, but again, as I always say, that Sensex is one index, like still like tomorrow majorly positions will be taken, okay. So now you cannot decide, but for now what we can see is that put side, I mean, it's looking weak, okay, because like if you see here, that is call side, still some writing is there, but put side is looking weak. And because even out of the money also, no major call writing, okay. Because even if you see here, out of the money, almost 5 lakhs contracts are here, 4.3 lakhs. But on the put side, if you see, it's like 78,000, they have 4.5 lakhs. Before that, you see not much. So that's what I'm saying, okay. So again, like as I said, like don't follow option chain for Sensex and other indices, like before the expiry. So majorly positions are taken on the expiry. Nifty still you can rely upon, but the other index, no. So that's it. That's my overall analysis. And again, if you want to be a member, so don't do grab the coupon code in the comment section below. And it will last only for till Christmas. And yeah, thanks for watching, and keep watching and trade safely. And if my analysis is helping, please do put a like, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.